Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to use the IntellyWP timer plugin. You can find the link to the IntellyWP plugin in the description below. Firstly, head to the IntellyWP website, click on Plugins, and select Evergreen Countdown Timer. Scroll down and under the free package, click on Download Now. Download the file and go to your WordPress dashboard. In the side panel, go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Select Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded file and click on Install Now. Then hit Activate Plugin. Click on Settings under Evergreen Countdown Timer. Click on Click Here. Type in the name, select a type, and choose a detection method. Set your expiry countdown time and paste your redirect URL. Under Aspects, choose your preferred color, labels, digits, and font size. Click on Save. Now, copy the text under Shortcode. In the side panel, click on Pages and select All Pages. Choose the page where you want to integrate the timer. Click on Edit. Go to your preferred location on the page. Type / and select Custom HTML. Paste the copied text and click on Update. Your deadline timer will be integrated with your WordPress page. All the relevant links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.